friends around the world, and welcome again to my channel. For new people, I'm Assia and my channel is about Darija, Moroccan Arabic of course, about the culture and about travel. For people that already support me, already subscribers to the channel, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and I'm here because of you. Thank you again. So let's start. Today video is a quick video explaining sounds of the alphabet as I promised you. So we're doing one by one, and also the sounds that you cannot pronounce. So that's because it's requested from you, and also I find it useful to know the sound which each one is separately so you understand more. Okay, so the sound or the alphabets that we work in today, we do the A alphabet. There is A in Darija, and now it's B. Okay, so B is normally pronounced B, B. And for the pronunciation, let's give example. So if for example is father, baba, ba, ba, b, b, baba, baba. Another example, برميل, برميل, b, b, برميل, برميل. Next one, b, b. Okay, bota, bota, b with o, sorry. So b plus o is برميل. Oh, sorry, bota. Okay, so bota. Another one, b plus a, there is a in Darija. B plus a is banyo, banyo, banyo is bad. Okay, banyo. Again, so b plus a is baba, baba. B plus u, there is u. Okay, in Darija, u, same thing. Okay, is برميل. Okay, b plus o, okay, is bota. B plus u, it's برميل. B plus u, it's Burma, Burma. Okay, so please let me know in the comments below if you didn't understand it. We explain it again, we give more examples, but I think the A and B sounds, the A and B, it's the most easy ones to like catch in Darija. Other ones there is most hard. We will go through all of them, don't worry, but the most like hard one, I think you have issues more about the numbers. So we will continue until we do all of them one by one. Wherever the ones you have issue in, we will cover it. Thank you so much and Bislamo.